Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting off with a little bit of skincare that we got from the makeup subscription boxes. I'm starting out with the Pores No More Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner. And I use this as a spot treatment for places that I have acne coming, and leaving that on for 15 minutes. And it kind of just bubbles up and foams, and then you want to wash it away with water. You can do a full mask, but it's a little bit drying. And for an exfoliator, I'm using the Purlisse Coconut and Coffee Beans Scrub. And lately I've been trying to do at least part of the 10-step Korean skincare. And the next step after exfoliating is toner. And this is the Green Tea Serum Toner from Missha. And it's from Glow Recipe. I got this from Target. And then I also have the Time Revolution water essence, and this is from Missha. And it's a little more expensive, but I think that it really helps improve the moisture of your skin. And for a little bit of concentrate and fine line removal, I'm using the Kieh's concentrate. And this is specifically for fine lines, but I'm putting it around the eyes and mainly on the forehead. Using the Purity Moisturizer that we got in the Ipsy and blending that out all the way down to the neck to make sure the face is ready for makeup. And lately I've been using hair, skin, and nails vitamins, and this is the Vitafusion vitamins. And I'm using the Tonya Crooks BrowGal, and this was from this month's BoxyCharm. And I thought the color would actually be too light, but it works out very well, and it makes for a really quick brow. Eyeshadow, we're dipping into the Element of Surprise from Colourpop, but there wasn't really a matte white shade, so I'm just dipping in to the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette to set the eyeshadow base and make sure all the colors blend seamlessly. And for the crease, I'm using with the Colourpop shade Go With The Flow. I've never personally used Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. I've only used the singles. But so far, this eyeshadow palette is a really nice quality. I want this kind of more orangey shade all over the lid to set a base and make sure the more bright colors blend out nicely. I'm taking another dark brown shade, and this is the shade Labyrinth. Another thing with these Colourpop shadows is they don't actually have the colors on the palette itself. They have it on the box, so that's kind of crappy as well. And then to deepen out the crease and outer corner, I'm going in with Blank Canvas. And this is more of a red burgundy. And don't feel like you have to be perfect with the eyeshadow, because eventually we will go in with concealer and blend it out with more lighter shades. Taking a clean eyeshadow brush and, like I said, blending out the darker edges with the clean eyeshadow brush. And taking on the outer corner a dark brown, and then this is the shade Rayon. This is a little bit more metallic, it's the shade Details, and we're just really building up the outer edge so it will really be voluminous and make your eyes look big and bold. Taking that shade underneath the eye and kind of doing the same thing that we did on the top that we did to the bottom. And then for a pop of color on the lid, we're using the color Subdue, but this color is not subdued. It's a nice lilac purple. Felt like I needed more, so I also added Feels to the inner corner for more of a inner corner highlight. And then dusting off all the fallout from the eyeshadow before applying concealer. Today we're using the Catrice Camouflage Concealer, and you know I'm in the lightest shade. I like to go under the eyes in triangles and then down the forehead, down the nose to highlight. And then I also do around the lips lately because my foundation tends to fade in those areas. And then blending the concealer and kind of pushing the eyeshadow in a triangular form so your eyes are even more lifted. And then I'm using Trust Fund Beauty in That Glow. And this is a nice kind of pearly highlight that you can mix. And I mixed it in with the foundation because I do have 2 liquid highlighters. And then for more highlight, I'm using the Tarte Pro Glow, and this is in the light gold shade, and just keeping that to the apples of my cheeks for more of a lifted look. And I feel like liquid highlight's something fun that you can use a lot of, and it doesn't get too crazy. And then setting all the liquid and concealer and foundation with the Coty Airspun, and this is the Naturally Neutral bronzer. I'm using the Sculpt and Glow from Model's Own, and this is a cream to powder contour. It's a little bit more orangey, but I find that it's perfect for summertime. It just gives you that little effortless tan, even though I don't have any tan. For black liner, I'm using the Kajal liner, and this is another thing that we've gotten from Ipsy, I believe, but just bringing it back. It's a great eyeliner. And for eyebrows, I don't really have anything new for eyebrows. I'm just using the NYX Microbrow, and this is in chocolate. And if you guys would like a further tutorial on brows, I'd love to do it. It would just take a little bit more time. And for Anastasia blushes, we're dipping into the Pink Passion. Dipping into the Pink Passion blush. And I like to mix all of them and spread them all over the cheeks, and then just dab the darker shade right on the apples. And then we're dipping into the Anastasia Glow Kit, and this is in the shade Summer because we were going for more of a pink vibe. I thought it would be fitting. And like I said, highlight, you can never really have enough. If you want to layer liquid to powder, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. It's just what you like and what your preference is, I guess. And I'm just taking the highlight on the apples of the cheek and down the nose, and then also contouring the bottom of the lips, and that really helps make sure your lips appear larger. And setting the whole look with the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. And then using the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. I find it so weird that they have a mascara, but I guess they do, but it works pretty well. It's very clumpy. And then using the Buxom Lip Liner, and then going into the Buxom Gloss that we got from the Ipsy. No, I believe it was Sephora Play, but it was a very small sample. And honestly, I like their more cream full-on lip glosses than the glittery kind. I think it looks a little better. But I think it looked nice with the look, but I switched it up with the NYX cream lip color, and this is in the shade Ibiza. I love that these shades are really vibrant, and they also take a name from different countries, and I feel like the colors kind of represent the countries in a way, in spirit. That completes this BoxyCharm Ipsy Sephora Play makeup subscription tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any ideas or subscription boxes that you really like, let me know in the comments, and I will definitely love to give them a try. And I will see you beauties in my next video. Bye!